Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a delicious pan sauce for steak. Not just an ordinary pan sauce, a port wine pan sauce for steak. Buckle up, let's go! Here are the ingredients for this pan sauce for steak. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 shallot, rosemary, handful of thyme, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, 1/8 of a cup of port, 1/2 of a cup of red wine, and 1/2 of a cup of Espagnole sauce. Check the link on the top of the screen for that recipe. Begin with the burner over medium to high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, a little bit of olive oil. We're going to work with the steak first. Let that pan get nice and hot. Season your steak, put a little pepper on it, put a little bit of salt on it. And place them on in. We want to get a nice sear on both sides. See how it looks? Yeah. Beautiful. Got a nice sear. That's flavor. Left a lot of nice bits and pieces on the bottom of the pan. That's what we're looking for in our pan sauce. We want that flavor in the pan. We're going to build on it. We're going to build the sauce. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to take the steak out, let it sit and rest. And while it rests, we can prepare our sauce. There's a little bit of grease in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to remove that, so I'm going to degrease the pan. So we got rid of all of the grease. All the bits and pieces, that's the fond, that's the flavor. Crank the burner up to medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt the butter down. Add the shallot. This is 1 shallot minced. If you don't have shallot, you can use onion. Give it a stir, mix it up. And adjust the heat, bring it down a tiny bit. We don't want to burn these guys. Come over medium to medium low. Saute these guys until they're translucent, a little bit tender. Doesn't take too long, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so the shallots have been sauteed. We're going to add our 1/2 of a cup of red wine. And 1/8 of a cup of port. Now that we have some liquids in the pan, it's a really good idea to scrape the bottom of the pan to get all of those flavors, all those bits and pieces up off the bottom, incorporate them into this pan sauce. While this reduces, throw in the rosemary and also the thyme. This will bring out all of the flavors of those herbs. We are almost there. The sauce is getting thick. It's leaving trails whenever I stir. So it looks perfect. Now we're ready to add the 1/2 of a cup of Espagnole sauce. Give everything a little bit of a shake. Give it a stir. And this doesn't have to go too terribly long. Our Espagnole sauce is already thick. It's rich. Just want to warm it up, reduce it a tiny bit, and then we'll strain it. See those trails? See those bubbles? It's what they're well pronounced. This pan sauce is ready to go. Turning off the heat. So we have a fresh pan and our fine sieve to strain it. Just pour it on in. Give this guy a little bit of a tap. Stir it up. I'm not pressing it through, I'm just stirring it up, moving that sauce around so it can come through. You don't want to smash it. If you smash it, you're just going to smash impurities through. You don't want to do that. But check it out. Look how rich. Look at that. Give it a taste. Oh yeah. Adjust the seasoning. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Bam. And there you go. That's how you make a port wine sauce for steak. Well, thanks for watching. If you like steak sauces, check out these two videos. I've got a green peppercorn steak sauce and a Jack Daniel's steak sauce. Two great steak sauces. Check them out.